Hi guys, today I'm here to get some Hot Wheels cars. These are the ones I got. This one is a McLaren, this one is a 1956 Corvette. This one is a Delorean GT. This one is a Tesla Roadster.
Dear customers, our Click and Collect service is free at all Kmart stores. Simply select Click and Collect as your delivery method at checkout online.
And last but not least, the Cadillac Seville. The next video I will show the full collection of my Hot Wheels cars. Bye bye.